Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Over here you need to look for location icon, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, in this pop-up I need to choose close, and when I go back, location of my XIAOMI is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same location icon. You can always go into settings instead though and scroll down. Then tap on location section over here. Now you can manage location of this device by clicking on this switcher next to location access. If the switcher is gray, that means that location is now off. If you want to turn it on, just click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!